Hello, my name is Navalia Firkusmawati from PPW Class C English 3. So here I will present about the tour package that I made, namely Yogyakarta for 2 days and 1 night. And this place is Semarang to Yogyakarta, and the name of the tour program is Mindful Journeys for Vulnerable Groups Children. Before that, I will description about my tour package. This is a tour package to Yogyakarta for 2 days and 1 night for group of vulnerable children from Semarang. This tour package is only for 12 bucks, and our target market is mainly kindergarten children because our tour program is about education and play, and this tour package is very useful for children to increase knowledge, provide interactive learning experience, and introduce the culture in Jogja. And of course, it provides a fun and meaningful learning experience for children. Next, about the destination and attraction. First, I chose the Taman Pintar. In the Taman Pintar, children will be invited to learn about the simulation of the universe. Then can visit the profession room to role play as a doctor, pilot, and other. Then we can watch interactive rides such as a Dino Adventure and can visit the out rooms to play. Number 2, Gembira Lokal Zoo. At Gembira Lokal Zoo, children can see the organized various animals in Indonesia. Besides that, children can also enjoy educational shows such as a bird shows, elephant shows, seal shows, and reptile shows. Number 3 is Museum Sono Budaya. At Sono Budaya Museum, children can learn about Japanese culture such as wayang, traditional musika, traditional toys, and batik. Besides that, children can watch horizontal education films and can visit interactive rides to try out various traditional toys. And number 4, we visit Malioboro, place to buying souvenir. Malioboro is a place to buy souvenir of Jogja. Here, you can buy various Jogja specialties like batik, sandal, bags, and many more. For accommodation, I choose the Hotel Fortuna Grand Saturan Yogyakarta because this hotel is child friendly and has complete sporting facilities that can be useful for children, such as a play area with a large space that can be used for petting bus like slide boards, trampolines, and role play kitchen. Besides that, this hotel also has a mini zoo where children can play with sheep, lovebird, and rabbits. If children want to play in the water, this hotel also has a special children's pool, and this hotel can request food for children. Next, for the transportation, we use Rosalia in the medium bus, 25 seats. At the time of gathering in the meeting point at the school, the bus will pick up at the meeting point, and we will use the bus to travel to Yogyakarta. The reason for using a medium bus is because it is one of the flexible transportation if used and quite comfortable transportation for children. While in Yogyakarta, we will also use the bus to go from one destination to other. Next, facility and accessibility. First, Taman Pintar. The facilities provided by Taman Pintar is first educational playground, and number 2 audio visual zone, number 3 pouch rooms, number 4 special ticket for child, and number 5 is nursing mother rooms. For accessibility, the Taman Pintar has ramps, elevators, as well as direction and information to make it easier to explore the park area properly. And number 2, Gembira Lokal Zoo. The facilities provided by Gembira Lokal Zoo is 1 game area, number 2 and dining area, and number 3 information center. For accessibility, Gembira Lokal has a stroller friendly pets. There are signs and direction available, and Gembira Zoo also provide transportation inside in the zoo to provide comfort for children who want to explore Gembira without having to walk. Number 3 is Museum Sono Budoyo. Facilities provided by Sono Budoyo Museum is number 1, interactive zone, and number 2, additional programs, and number 3, sofa in the museum. And for the accessibility, Sono Budoyo Museum has an elevator that makes it easy for visitors to visit each floor of the museum, has an information center, direction, and have a safe layout for the collection, so that there is a little risk of the children. And number 4 is Malioboro. The facilities provided by Malioboro is number 1, shopping and souvenir center, and number 2, photo spot and unique statues. And for accessibility, Malioboro has a sidewalk that can be used for walking or use a stroller, and there is also child-friendly transportation such as andong and becak that can be tried if you are too lazy to walk on the sidewalk. And for the itinerary, day 1, at the 7 a.m. we gathering at the meeting point, and then we go at Gembira Zoo, and then we have a lunch at the House of Raminten, then we go to Taman Pintar, and then we go to hotel and check in hotel. After that we rest, and at the 7 p.m. we have a dinner at hotel. And for the day 2, at the 7 a.m. in the morning we have a breakfast at hotel, and we check out, and then we go to the Museum Sono Budoyo, and then we have a lunch at Lombok Ijo, and then we go to Malioboro to buying souvenir, and then we back to meeting point at Semarang and finish at the 7 p.m. And then next, travel insurance. We choose a Jasino travel insurance. Domestic travel insurance from Jasino offers several protection packages with varying premium price. For domestic travel, the premium offer starts from around 10,000 rupiah to 30,000 rupiah, depending on the benefits and protection taken. And the last one is safe and security, that teacher or parents to pay attention. Is 1, don't be spared by groups. Number 2, be careful of pickpockets. Number 3, what your children do. And number 4, if you need help immediately report to the tour guide. And number 5, pay attention to time and you will be on time. The last one is safe and security, that teacher or parents to pay attention. Is 1, don't be spared by groups. Number 2, be careful of pickpockets. Number 3, watch what your children do. And number 4, if you need help immediately report to the tour guide. And number 5, pay attention to time and you will be on time.